Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram highlights not showing problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings. Okay, now scroll down to the apps section and go to the search and search on Instagram. So now next go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it, and now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. This includes all files and databases, settings, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.